Today I'm going to try and fit the kit a little bit. I do have the side skirts on, but they're kind of just like dangling on there. The door's kind of holding them on. I got the fenders on. The fenders are pretty sturdy. The front bumper looks like it's on, but it's just sitting there. So basically, I'm going to try and get rid of that gap. The bumper's actually not mounted at all. I got to figure out some kind of mounts. Probably make some. I got some of these brackets right here. I got some flat stock somewhere I could weld up if I need to. Rear bumper, it's not really a priority, but it would be cool to get it up there or get it on there. I'm not going crazy. That's not cool. All I'm gonna do basically is I got some self-tappers. I'm going to do a little bit of self-tapping, and I'm going to do some zip tying. There we go. We got some nice long ones. So I'm going to grab the drill, and I'm going to start buzzing these side skirts into the fender and into the quarter. I got the side skirts on. Definitely not the prettiest thing, but these fit like shit, so that's the best they're going to get. Now onto the front bumper. This part is going to be a little bit challenging because this is kind of in the way, so I kind of got to put my hood pins in, but I can't find my Dremel, so I can't really do that. But anyways, I'm going to give her a shot. I'm going to put some wood under here, see how level I can get it, and then go from there. Alright, after pinching my finger and fucking up the paint a little bit, the front bumper is mounted a little bit. As you can see, screw. Looks like shit still. Fuck it, I don't care. This bumper is gonna get destroyed anyways. This side, same deal. What I am planning on doing for the top, so it's not floppy, I want it to be, you know, sitting up nice, is I got the stock brackets right here for the stock bumper. So basically I'm going to make like an L. So it's going to be like that, but it's going to hold onto this bumper and then bolt down to right there. So it'd be, you know, nice and upright. Hopefully hiding this guy a little bit because this protrudes a lot. But I'm going to measure something up, probably out of cardboard, or just fuck it and wing it. But I'm going to start cutting this thing up, welding, do what I got to do. Alrighty, so I just cut these out. Basically what I'm going to do is make an L bracket. It's going to sit something like that. And this part's going to bolt to this rad support. And then this is going to kind of go like on the inside of the bumper. So I'm going to get these tacked up, welded up, and then we'll fit them up. Alright, so we got these little brackets made up. Some dookie ass welds. I realized that my gas was off and that was all fucked up. The regulator was all fucked up, but that's like the best one. But anyways, I gotta let those cool down because that just burned my finger. But basically, it's gonna mount there, go into this part, and hopefully raise it enough so this is hidden. But I'm gonna let that cool down and then we'll throw them on. Alright, so the little L brackets definitely worked out. The only thing is I kind of got to figure out this little bit of a hood gap. It honestly could be the hood, but I almost don't even care. It's pretty good right there. It almost looks like it's the hood. The hood, on the hood brackets, the bolts are all the way forward, so that's kind of, you know, maxed out. Like this hood kind of always lined up like crap. As you can see, the gaps right there, and the gaps on this side are tighter. I mean, you could definitely, you know, mess with the fenders a little bit, but in reality, I really don't care. I guess I could possibly, let me pop the hood. Oh, this kind of sucks. I guess I could actually notch these a little bit so the bolt can go up a little bit more, or even notch these guys. But As you can see, this support's a little tweaked, and you can see it's tweaked right there. So that might be the reasoning for the hood kind of fitting like shit on this side. As you can see, the spot weld's kind of like pulled out right there. This is a little bent. So this thing probably, you know, did a little bit of fender bender in the past. As you can see, this one's pulled out too. But all in all, I'm pretty happy with it. You can't see the hood latch, but I'm looking for headlight bezels or pop-up bezels, so I'm gonna have to get rid of the whole hood latch assembly because it's right there. So I'm gonna end up doing those guys. I just gotta find the Dremel and find the time to do that, and grow some balls to drill through my hood. That's really not that nice. So I'm gonna check out the rear bumper, see how the rear bumper mounts, and then I'll start back up. Alright, so the last, or not the last event, but like the third or fourth to the last event of the season, my eBay fart can, the tip kind of broke off of it. I guess it might be kind of common with these, but I am sick of the coffee can looking shit. So I got this piece of 4-inch pipe right here, courtesy of my fucking truck. So this was left over, so I mean kind of fits pretty mint like that. Oh yeah. So I'm gonna set up the welder and tack this on. Bit of an exhaust leak, but you know, that's all right. I'm gonna let this thing warm up. All right, so I just pulled out of the driveway. I was gonna go for a little quick rip, and I done did it. Pulled out of my driveway. Look at my fender. How does that happen? Yeah, that sucks. Oh, this side's still good. I don't know what to do. Can't really do much about that. Oh, I guess we're gonna go for a ride. Alright, so I guess that's gonna do it for this video. I didn't get everything I wanted to done, but you know, shit happens. It is what it is. So basically, these fenders are done for, at least that side. This side's still good. I should have honestly, before driving it, I should have, you know, it looked fine, but I guess, you know, pulling out of the driveway, it was a different story. But the rear bumper, it's given me issues. I believe these, this whole kit, I feel like, is for a car with over fenders, maybe, because this rear bumper does not want to fit whatsoever. As you can see, it kind of bows out like that on both sides, and every time I try to like compress it, it just wants to crack on me. So you can see that side too. But yeah, so this kind of sucks. Freshly painted fenders, freshly fixed, and that happens. I did run these fenders the last like 3 or 4 events, and this, you know, this wasn't an issue. So I'm not really sure why this happened, but I guess I can still run this fender. I I was kind of hoping for a clean looking S13, at least for the beginning of the season. I do have an extra set of Origin fenders, I believe, at the shop. They're for the other car though, so kind of want to keep them for that car. As you can see, this hood gap is horrible. But yeah, so that kind of sucks. I guess I'm gonna have to figure out why that happened, raise the car up, maybe adjust my camber a little bit, even though it's cambered to hell already. But yeah, next video should be hopefully with the right-hand drive car. I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do for a turbo. Today I'm actually going out to Rhode Island to pick up a Bride replica seat for it, so that should be pretty cool. At least we got this side that looks good. I may end up just holding that bumper off, or just, you know, having it off and just running the blast pipe with no bumper, just because that bumper really doesn't want to fit, and I might just go ahead and get the KBD rear bumper. But yeah, give this video a like. Plenty more to come.